Come everyone, get the newest car Lamborghini. Just come here and buy me. I will go and get you free. You can do it really late. It is only cost 7 rupees. I'm not saying 7. I'm saying 7 then million rupees. So now let's see. Did you are coming? Hi, I want to go. I want to become new Lamborghini. Why? Why did you want to become new Lamborghini? Because that is my thing. I was the top, but now I am not. Okay, best of luck in that. A few utilities later. Okay, I'm here. Hey, get me a new Lamborghini model. So, where is my 7 lakh rupees? Holy this time. Now I'm going in the thunderstorm machine. Yes, here is the Lamborghini car. Wow, look at me. I'm looking so cute. And also your body will be huge. Now I'm a Lamborghini. Who is that guy? Okay, let's show my friend. He would be so jealous. I'm too tired today. Hello. Hi, who are you? I'm your friend Lamborghini. What? You actually get the new Lamborghini? I thought it was fake. You can. So I'm going to become the new taxi model right now. Okay, so looks like I will have a tough time with this car. Tough time.